Okay, let's go again. So 2298. I think Morra Smith again was good fun last time. Not allowing it. Go to this line. So what's his ratings like? Oh, his 1 minute's quite good, 2143. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. I take, am I getting a bit of a lead in development or just losing dark square bishop? Like that, so you won't be able to castle that quickly. Forcing moves here, bishop b5, bishop d7. It's going to develop some more pieces. So we can't castle yet. E4 to no, knight b5, knight c3 to e3. He's got knight e5, showing actually maybe he's got a point. Oh dear. I need to get control of e5, I think. Maybe bishop e4 takes c6 and then knight e5. So give him the bishop pair. After knight e5, maybe knight f7 will be on the cards at some point. So knight ce5, I'm on c6. Two knights versus two bishops. Is h4 and knight g5 also possibilities? h4, if bishop ever moves off at e6, then knight g5 and e6 will be vulnerable. Like I had like yesterday, I think, a disaster on e6. No, day before yesterday. So h4. Okay, we're looking at this at e6. So knight f7. Whoa! Could be on the cards here. Knight f7. I'm attacking the queen. Knight g5. Knight e6. I'm not sure it's that convincing. Anything other than that, because say his king moves there, he is protecting e6 with his queen. So maybe knight g5 straight off the bat. f6, there's knight f7 winning the exchange. If bishop e5, queen e5, f6, there's queen e6. I'll be getting the bishop pair from him. In that line, I don't think there's anything that concrete. Knight e6. So I think knight g5. Let's go for this knight g5 anyway. If I can get the dark square bishop, rob him of the bishop pair. So I'm a pawn down here, 5 pawns to 6 pawns, with the two knights, with f7 and e6 a bit vulnerable. Okay. This light square bishop looks promising though. It's queen c7, I'm on f7 and b7, it's a tactical vulnerability. He's got rook g5, f takes, there's mate on h1, but I play queen b7, then I play hg. So maybe that's why he blundered, thinking rook g5. So f7. Blimey, it's got the same sort of pattern of moving this bishop, you weaken these squares tactically. So queen f7 looks horrendous for him, because then I'll be taking on e6, threatening back row mate. I'll do that then. Also, I'll be attacking his queen. And queen g6 defends. No, it doesn't. I just take. So I'm threatening his queen, I'm threatening rook e8. Blimey, giving the opponent the 2 bishops. That paid off there. Blimey. It's just tactically, these knights are very dangerous. So he got 1 bishop and I gave him the other because I played bishop e4 to c6. So this looks like strange play because you're not supposed to give the opponent the 2 bishops really. But f7 and e6 in this time limit is dangerous, as this game shows. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.